Hi, who else has been there? Trying to count change, but your brain just freezes. 218 rupees seems like a simple amount, but suddenly it's a math problem. The cashier offers to help, and you're just hoping they don't notice your struggle. Like, please. Numbers can be overwhelming, honestly. Whether it's splitting bills or budgeting, I have always struggled to get the math right. It's frustrating when something so simple feels so hard. Hey, I'm talking about the 218 rupees, okay? The change. Math and I have a love hate thing going on. Some days it's crystal clear and I feel like a genius, which is rare. Other days, which is most days, it's a total disaster. But one thing's for sure, math can be a game changer if you come to understand it. It makes life easier, boost your overall confidence, and open numerous doors. I've always wanted those benefits. So here I am, set out to make this an important addition to my life. And if you're along for the ride, you can either join me or watch me struggle, stumble, and still stand up like a phoenix and learn what a real learning curve feels like, not the time lapse videos. My math journey began with speed math, a skill I think most useful when trying to outsmart your average Joe. I struggled with multiplying large digit numbers, specifically when the left hand side results turned negative. I mistakenly applied simple subtraction logic, not realizing I needed to adjust the RHS to get the correct result. It took me 2 hours of researching, revisiting school concepts, and even consulting Chat and GPT, our AI, to clear the doubt. And honestly, that was just one of many roadblocks. There are plenty more. Where that came from. As frustration mounted, I found myself procrastinating, putting off practice for a day or two. When I finally dove back in, I repeated each question 3 times. At first, I passively followed along, which is truly never a good thing to do. Noting the answers and understanding the process without questioning or reinforcing new concepts. On the second attempt, I rewatched the solutions, this time pausing to grasp the logic and setting a timer to challenge myself. But let's be real, it wasn't fun. Not at all. The pressure to produce answers felt like an actual exam, despite my intention to gauge my understanding without stressing about the time. I made careless mistakes, and when in doubt, I accidentally glanced at the answers. Basically, I cheated with my eyes. Because let's face it, nobody's perfect. By the third try, however, I gained some confidence in multiplying and dividing numbers, and my calculation times improved significantly on many questions. As I dug deeper into speed math or mental math, I realized a few crucial things. Mastering tables is a must. Those tiny mental steps can make or break your relationship with calculations. And visualization is a powerful tool. But despite this newfound understanding, I hit another roadblock: percentages. I struggle to wrap my head around why multiplying a fraction by 100 converts it to a percentage. This wasn't a new problem. I had shrugged it off in school. focusing on solving problems without truly understanding the concept. And honestly, I was about to brush it off again. But then something clicked while I was writing this very script down. The connection finally made sense. So, as you can see, this journey isn't exactly smooth, right? I'd get so lost in thought that I'd zone out, staring at the wall for 10 minutes, pretending to be deep in concentration, when really I had no idea what I was doing. I would give up sometimes and take a nap, knowing I'd be out cold for at least 30 minutes to an hour, sleeping like a rock, with the faint hope that I'd magically understand that one stubborn step in the process when I woke up.